Okay.
That's it.
Which way is the food?
Okay. The main buffet is open right. The main buffet is open right now, and is just go straight over there. First in the garden, you can find the main stage. Downstairs, one floor below, is the main buffet. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Now let me give you this.
Hey y'all, welcome to the Rio. Okay, so we stayed at the Rio Baja California Palace. I can't remember which room we had, but I think it was a king partial view. So as soon as you come in, here's the bathroom. And I like how it is dipped off in its own little private space, And then they have so many mirrors. I absolutely love the mirrors right here. I just couldn't stop looking at myself. And then the bathtub, I fell in love with it. I loved it. I love the spaciousness of it. I definitely like the double sinks. The shower was very, very spacious. Oh my goodness. I really enjoyed this room, okay? I like the double headed. I think it had two shower heads. The entire room was just really spacious. I like the open floor plan. This is one of the newer builds of the hotel. I believe the other ones are more older, but this one is the all adult resort, and all of the rooms are more open. So here is our bar. Yes, it did come with the liquor, the coffee, and our mini fridge, which they did come and stock every day. So we have Pepsi, beer, and water. I love Pepsi. I'm a Pepsi drinker, so I definitely took advantage of those. And yeah, a little ice machine, freezer box. But yes, y'all, so this is just like a general rundown of the room. Like I said, me and my husband, we enjoyed it. The room was really, really nice. I loved the openness of it. It just was so spacious. I will definitely stay here again. The food was amazing. They did have I want to say maybe about 5 or 6 different restaurants to choose from. They had the main dining, which is open pretty much every day, all day. And then they had the restaurants where you had to make your reservations. Unfortunately, sorry, I do not have any footage of the restaurants, but we did try out a couple of them. And just here's a overview of the room. Okay, I'm done talking. So they had, I believe, 4 pools, and 2 of them had a swimmer bar, and then they also had the shaded area. So it was a lot of pool space, never felt crowded, and I enjoyed that.